بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. إن شاء الله welcome again to our book, the Greenbook, معلم القراءة العربية مع قاعدة بغدادية. Today we are in page 67. Let's get down to it. So we have الحروف ممدودة بالياء. Letters which have been made long or which have been stretched بالياء using what? The long vowel يا. طيب المد بالياء, stretching a letter or making a letter long, the vowel, making it long using the vowel يا. طيب let's go through it. So we have the first one, E, Alif Hamza, Kasra E and Ya. E, Ba with a Kasri and Ya, B, Ta with a Kasri and Ya, T, Tha with a Kasri and Ya, Thi, Jim, Kasri and Ya, G, Ha with a Kasri and Ya, Hi, Kha with a Kasri and Ya, Khi, Dal, Kasra, D, Dhal, Kasra and Ya, Thi, Ra with a Kasri and Ya, Ri, Za with a Kasri and Ya, Z, Sin with a Kasri and Ya, Si, Shin with a Kasri and Ya, Shi, Sad with a Kasri and Ya, Si, Dad with a Kasri and the long vowel Ya, Di, Ta with a Kasri and the long vowel Ya, Ti, Dha with a Kasri and the long vowel Ya, Dhi, Ain with a Kasri and the long vowel Ya, I, Ghain with a Kasri and the long vowel Ya, Ghi, Fa with a Kasri and Ya, Fi, Qaf with a Kasri and Ya, Qi, Kaf with a Kasri and Ya, Ki, Lam, Kasra Li, Yasaknai, Li, Mim, Kasra Mi, Yasaknai, Mi, Noon with a Kasri and the long vowel Ya, Ni, Waw with a Kasri and the long vowel Ya, We, Ha with a Kasri and the long vowel He and the long vowel Ya, He, Ya with a Kasri and the long vowel Ya, Ye. So what do we have from the beginning? E, B, T, Fi, G, Hi, Khi, D. Remember, an unconnector and a connector can never connect. Okay, look at this, and wow. The, Ri, Z, Si, She, Si, Di, Ti, Vi, I, Ghi, Fi, Qi, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, We, He, and lastly Ye. So remember, the first part we did on the previous pages, page 66, and going backwards was stretching a vowel using Alif, and now here we're stretching the vowel Kasri using a Ya, because when you just make the sound E, just now make it long. E, the letter which comes is Ya. The letter which comes long after stretching the sound it's just an Alif. U, the vowel U, Dhamma, just make it long. U, your mouth just folds like a wow. طيب, inshallah we'll come to that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next half.